Can dodge change wheel spaces cause wheel vibration? People worry that the dodge change wheel spaces may cause wheel vibration. In fact, dodge change wheel spaces will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The strictness of the dodge change wheel spaces and the tightness of the lug nuts are the two first factors users focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are based on lug-centric dodge change wheel spaces. A lug-centric spaces mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spaces are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these cheap spaces, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric dodge change wheel spaces will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality dodge change wheel spaces and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the dodge change wheel spaces and the wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS dodge change wheel spaces are made of high-strength forged SCM440L steel, ISO standard grade 12.9. With higher strength, your dodge change wheel spaces can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric dodge change wheel spaces keep the wheel centric and the balance on the vehicle hub while driving. After spaces and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric dodge change wheel spaces are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS dodge change wheel spaces are designed with better multi-state hub-centric ring. The hub-centric main ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevel's fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spaces. Since dodge change wheel spaces are components that contain the other part, you absolutely need high tolerance.